Hi, this video explains the Deferral Cockpit application created by Tisski for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This new application offers additional functionality to the standard deferrals already found in Business Central and provides finance management, directors and financial controllers with quick and easy to access visibility of deferrals posted in the system. Business Central offers 3 summary reports as standard, and the Tisski Deferral Cockpit enhances the deferral functionality by providing a drillable list view of all deferrals posted, filtered by a date range and other criteria, for example customer account. What's also really nice is that the Deferral Cockpit provides an at-a-glance view of the total value of deferrals posted for any given month as a bar chart. This bar chart is filtered automatically by whereabouts you are focused on the list part of the cockpit. So for example, you can gain a quick overview of the value and posting of deferrals for one document, one account, a group of accounts, or a grand total for all accounts. The Deferral Cockpit can be accessed from 3 areas in Business Central, either from the customer list, the vendor list, or the general ledger entries page. And depending on where it's open, this will determine the type of deferrals that are displayed, that is sales, purchasing or general ledger deferrals. Okay, so let's take a look at the Tisski Deferral Cockpit in action. To access the sales deferrals, for example, first of all search customers. And select the customer list page. Once the customer list page opens, go to Navigate, History, and select the Deferral Cockpit option. When the Deferral Cockpit opens, the first thing to notice is the date range filter at the top of the page. Here you can enter a date range using the normal Business Central filtering methods to view the deferrals that have been posted in a specific period. So for example, I can enter 1st of December 2018 to 31st of December 2019 and select Enter. The Deferral Cockpit will be filtered accordingly, showing only deferrals posted within that date range. The next thing to notice is that Cockpit is divided into 2 sections. The top half is a list view of all documents posted in the system. In this example, for sales deferrals, the documents are grouped together by account and so here by customer accounts. The bottom half of the cockpit is a graphical display of the deferral values posted as a bar chart by period. The bar chart is automatically filtered according to which line you are currently focused on in the top half of the cockpit. So at the moment I'm focused on the Dayton Corporation customer account line, and the bar chart is displaying the total value of deferrals posted per period for that particular customer account. Bear in mind that only the periods that fall within the date range entered in the date filter at the top of the cockpit will be displayed. If I move down one line to a specific document posted for this customer account, in this case document number 103215, then the bar chart is automatically filtered to show the deferral postings for just that one document. On that line, I can select the actual document itself by clicking on the document number. This will open the document, in this case the posted sales invoice, and once open I can then use the standard Business Central functionality to view the detail of the deferral schedule posted for this invoice. Simply go to More Options, Line and Deferral Schedules. Back in the Deferral Cockpit, if I go to the last grand total line, this will then show me the total value of all deferrals posted, in this case sales deferrals, for each period within the selected filter date range, and again the bar chart is filtered to show the same. The cockpit can be filtered further by selecting the filter option at the top right. This allows me then to filter by further criteria, for example account name. Select account name and then enter the account that you want to filter on. For example, I want to filter on Trade Research and hit Enter. I then get a Deferral Cockpit view for just this one customer account. Clear the filter to view all account detail again. The Deferral Cockpit can also be accessed from the vendor list page. In the same way as we access the Sales Deferral Cockpit, first of all select Vendors. Select the vendor list page and once in the list page, go to Navigate, History and select the Deferral Cockpit. This will display all purchase deferrals posted per vendor account per period. Or the cockpit can be accessed from the General Ledger entries. First of all, search General Ledger entries. Select General Ledger entries page, and once in there, go to Navigate and Deferral Cockpit. Here you will be able to view and interrogate all GL deferral postings. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you find the Tisski Deferral Cockpit a really useful tool and a helpful addition to the standard Business Central deferral functionality.